Hello everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So today we found a very rare type of honey called the kombu honey in our garden in the corner here behind the thorny bush. So one of the villagers who smelt it from outside the gate requested that he would take it, and in the following video you can see him removing the kombu honey and showing it to you. I did not come in that because we did not want to disturb the bees. He did not kill the bees but just let them fly out, took out the plate of honey and left the pole intact, as they call it, so the bees could come back and build the honey again. You'll watch the video now. Now let's go to our kitchen garden.
ఈ పాలు రాజు
So this is the kitchen garden and Patsati is going to get some fresh vegetables from our garden. As you can see from the beginning when you saw it, it has really grown big with all the things which have come up. So what are you going to take first? Pairu, the karamani or the long farm beans as they call it. Really nice long ones that have nice seeds inside too. So if they mature too much, you can get the seeds. So we get our quota of fresh vegetables from the kitchen garden every day, at least a little bit. And apart from the long beans, the farmyard beans, we also have. So he's just crossing over and going to the other side. Show, yeah, it's really nice. When the vegetables are fresh like this, without insecticide or any kind of fertilizer or anything, just grow naturally in fresh air and water and rainwater and soil, you really get a good, actually the vegetables have a good aroma even when you enter the garden. So what is that? There again you've got some nice beans. Just hold them up and show. Oh, really nice. Can you show the greens? There you have different varieties of greens actually. Amaranthus, the molakire, arakire, and different varieties. Actually, we mix them up and cook them every day. We also have the mustard leaves, sarson. And then what else is there? The vendaka, bendi. And we've just removed some yesterday, so we're not taking it out today. Very, very tasty bendis. What is that you're taking? Again, the beans, pairu.
Today only payre harvesting.
So today a lot of pairu we have got and harvested a lot of pairu. We share it with our friends here, give our neighbors, and yet we have a lot more left. So this is the result of, good gardening.
Ready.
We got a good bunch of radish today, already taken out in the morning. The leaves are so fresh, but some are faded now in the afternoon sun. Yeah.
Beans.
Yeah, that was the beans.
I'll show you.
Yeah, that's enough. You can just show the beans. See, fresh beans and karamani, farmyard beans. Who would not like to eat them here from the garden? Fresh and nice. And to grow these, I've made some grow bags. from the rice bags which we get in the shop. So my neighbors were able to give me some. This is a grow bag. It's a 25 kg bag, kind of jute bag which are made into a grow bag by cutting and stitching. So we have filled it with fresh mud and manure today, and very soon you'll find some good
for
plants
Malli
in
and,
it. For
Kottamalli and
okay, for coriander and methi and some of those small herbal plants.
all
So
these
enjoy the kitchen garden. Thank you.